Today we're making a quick snap pea stir fry with white beans that's colorful, fresh, and easy to pull together. Crisp snap peas, tender white beans, sweet peppers, and carrots come together for a simple meal full of texture and flavor. Start by cooking the carrots and peppers first, so they soften slightly while keeping their natural color and texture. Snap peas and garlic go in next to keep everything bright, fresh, and full of flavor without overcooking the vegetables. The white beans make this stir fry feel hearty while still keeping the meal light, colorful, and easy to enjoy. A little parsley at the end keeps everything tasting fresh and balanced without needing anything complicated. Fresh, colorful, and quick enough to make even on your busiest days. Before you go, you'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. I'll see you next time with another simple and flavorful idea.